Hello, should I include tech stocks in my watch list? Yes, if they met your requirement that you use to select your stocks for your watch list. Yes, I don't really see any concern regarding those tech stocks. For instance, I have those filters that I use to filter my stocks to when I'm gathering stocks that I'm going to be creating my watch list from, and I will have, I have the master list, and from this list I can analyze stocks and create a watch list of those stocks. And I have 2026 watch list of stocks that I intend to swing trade from this year. And I have the industry, the sector, industry, and sub-industry listed for them as well. Excuse me. So when we go through it, I don't know if you'll be able to pinpoint those tech stocks, but by tech stocks, a lot of times I like to uh, put Google in the tech stocks, but that's just the way I'm viewing it. But maybe what you are calling a tech stocks could be different from mine. But Google, for instance, is in the communication service, and the industry is interactive media and services, and the sub industry is the same as well. So, and within that industry, we have few, the sector, we have few more here, and we have for the industry, if Google is a tech, maybe those two, but other than that, we have those that are in the same sector but not in the same industry. So, and those are the ones that made it to my watch list here. So, and it all depend on the criteria you are using to analyze those stocks you are adding to your watch list to see, what company, if a company met that requirement, then it can be added to your watch list. And if a company doesn't meet that requirement, then it's not added to it. And there are some companies that you might like, that you might make exception to if they don't meet one or two of your requirements, and it's worth giving them a try to see if it's just a simple like of them or if they are good for you to swing trade. But you can just glance over to see the industries, the sector, the sub-industries represented in my watch list. And there is Apple here that I need to complete because it was not in my original watch, my master list of those large cap, and this is just large cap stocks. And there is Tesla here. I added this year. Those two I add them. You know, sometimes don't open the door. What is it?
Mom, can I shower?
No,
When can I shower?
you are going to shower at 6. Right now it's 3:53. Go lay down.
Can I go read?
No, Jaden, lay down. You don't have enough sleep. So, and again, those are stocks that are um, that they have their growth is slower. So I have a list of them separately, and we are seeing some of those communication services here as well. But those are the ones that I can think of when we are talking about tech stocks, Google, and anything in the same industry asset. So today is February 1st, 2026, and we are going to analyze RY. And it's in the financial sector. Using Thinkorswim platform, maximum daily chart, RY. Is it a buy now? No. Based on long option and swing trading strategy that I use to buy stocks, I won't buy RY now. And why is that? Because when you are looking at it where it is now, where is it coming from? It's coming from the top of the mountain, not from the valley. So it's pretty much close to all-time highest price than it is to the valley of the mountain. So therefore it is not a buy. If you have it in your portfolio, maybe you'll be asking yourself if it's the time to sell it, if you are swing trading it. But since I have not purchased it yet, I won't be thinking about selling, I'll be thinking about buying. And right now is not a buying time for me. And the teal color is where we want to buy at. But right now is nowhere near there. It may not even be done going up yet. But right now it pulled back from the top of the mountain, but it could just rest a little bit and continue going up. Last time the markets opened, it closed on red. That means the price went down that day. The price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the markets open. So, but because we use a long option line swing trading strategy, we like to buy at this valley line. Therefore, we might have to wait on it for a while. And it seems to be respecting this valley line, those two quite a bit. So, and it has been going up since 2024. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from 0 up. And right now we are looking at maximum monthly chart, and those data line are years. So 2024, 2025, 2026. So it started, it left the valley line in 2000 toward the end of 2000, no, toward the beginning of 2024, or right at the end of 2023, and has been going up ever since, and reached all-time highest price probably at the end of 2024, beginning of, in fact, in January. Here, every single bar is a month. The chart we are on before, every single bar is a day. So it reached all-time highest price. This price in January. So, but we are just going to keep observing it. And when it's done going up, to come back down, last time it took 2 years from there to here. So when it's done going up, to come back down, it could do the same. It pretty much here it took 2 years as well to come back down. 2 years to go up, 2 years to come down. Here we are seeing 2 years to go up, pretty much like to be done going up. And here we are seeing about a year and a half to come down. But from here all the way here is more years. But yeah, it seems to have kind of predictable pattern here. That's and it has been going on for 2 years now. So if it's going to repeat this cycle, it could well be close to be done going up and might decide to go down. So if it's going to take 2 years to come down, so we may not buy this year, and it will be probably next year before it come back down to this valley line, if it's going to repeat this cycle here from there to there and to here. So that is how we do our chart analysis. I won't be buying it right now, and it might take a while before I will find it here to buy again. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting LLC YouTube channel, and ninasoup.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your accounts from there. For more swing trading related video in this series, will you please check the playlist how to start swing trading step by step using Uptrend in the description of this video. And we do have other swing trading related playlists in the description as well. Thank you so much for your time.